What's up, my fellow Kasurambao, and welcome to our car review. Thank you Mitsubishi Gateway, Goroda, Cebu City for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Roniel Javierto on his mobile phone. This is a 2025 Mitsubishi Triton 2.4 GLX 4x2 AT. 1.473 million Philippine peso, Cebu City price. April promo is 18,000 based on 20% down payment. 60 months is 30,222.00. Airbags is driver, front passenger, and knee. Brakes, electronic brake distribution, and anti-lock brake system or ABS. Features, immobilizer, electronic door locks, active stability and traction control, ISOFIX, cruise control, trail stability, and hill start assist. Dito sa harap, ang laki ng grille tapos may maliit sa baba. Matte, bulging, DeBose Mitsubishi, modern design, chrome Mitsubishi logo, no front sensors, then small grille at the bottom. All-type antenna at the top, headlights na multi-reflector halogen, DRLs halogen also. At the bottom, fog lamps halogen. At the sides, wheels is silver, tires is 265/60 R18 Yokohama. Fog lamps housing is bulging, matte, fender are bended, black step board, bended fender at the back, chrome side mirrors with repeaters, auto adjust and auto fold, keyless remote entry, chrome doorknobs, front suspension is independent wishbone with coil spring, back is rigid with lip spring, front brake is ventilated disc, and rear is leading and trailing drum. At the back, rail guard is one with a bed liner, third brake light with keyhole, chrome tailgate knob, backup camera, chrome Mitsubishi logo, and Triton emblem, no back parking sensors, and full spare tire underneath. Taillights is all halogen. Let's open the tailgate. Tailgate is not assisted. Space at the back. Rail guard is one with the bed liner. Mitsubishi. For chrome hooks. Then black over there. Total of 6. Door panels is gray with piano black accent, aluminum type doorknob. Tweeter speaker, plastic. This one is leather, white stitching, aluminum type doorknob, piano black, carbon fiber design, power window button, leather, white stitching, side pocket, bottle holder, speaker, hand grip, then fixed hand grip. Back door panels is same gray with piano black accent, aluminum type doorknob. Plastic, here is not leather anymore, piano black accent, aluminum type doorknob, carbon fiber design, power window, leather, small pocket, bottle holder, speaker, side hand grip, then top hand grip. Center armrest with 2 cup holders. Pockets. At the back of the seats. 12-volt socket. USB Type-C, USB port, dome lights at the back, driver side door panels is same gray with piano black accent, aluminum type doorknob, tweeter speaker, plastic, leather, white stitching, piano black, aluminum type doorknob, solid, leather, carbon fiber design, lock and unlock, power side mirror button, left and right, auto fold, power window buttons, windows lock, leather, side pocket, bottle holder, speaker, hand grip, no top hand grip, plastic, visor design, matte, silver air vents, silver tip, leather, stitching, headlights leveling, lights leveling in the dash, gas tank, hood release at the side, seat is fabric, center has design, bucket type, headrest, 6-way manual adjust, view at the back, 3-spoke steering wheel leather wrap with silver accent and audio controls. Over here is cruise control, voice command, and cell phone button. And here is infotainment and different dash menus. Dash is analog RPM, temperature, speedometer, and fuel gauge. Display at the center is 7-inch colored LCD. Infotainment is 8-inch touchscreen display via 6 speakers with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB, Bluetooth with hands-free technology. Single zone automatic climate control aircon, dome lights, sunglass holder, sun visor with ticket clip at driver's side, sun visor vanity mirror at the passenger side. Steering wheel is tilt and telescopic. Ignition switch is rotary type. Space to put something. USB port. USB Type-C. 12-volt socket. Auto tranny. Silver. Piano black. There's a plus and minus drive mode. Mini cup holder. Spaces. Manual handbrake. Center armrest leather with hold at the endmost. Passenger seat is same fabric. 4-way manual adjust. Plastic, SRS airbag, leather, stitching, can be opened, and this is not a cooling box. Silver accent in the air vents, silver tip. You can lock the glove box slow-mo. The engine is a 2.4 4-cylinder inline, 16-valve, direct injection turbocharged diesel engine. Max output is 183 PS. Max torque is 430 Nm of torque. Transmission is 6-speed automatic. Fuel tank capacity is 75 liters. So that's it, my fellow Kasrambao. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Support Bisayan Vlogger. Bye and peace. Thank you.